Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tasty and easy shawarma. On this video I'm going to show you how to make a shawarma bread, meat shawarma and a salad. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make shawarma meat: you're going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a half a kg of cow meat or any other meat that you like, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, some salt to taste, 1 lime or you can use some lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly some paprika powder, 1 teaspoon. As you can see in the video, I've cut my cow meat into small pieces. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and lastly squeeze 1 lime or you can use a lemon. Once you're done adding all the spices, mix the meat very well so that the spices can blend in well, and let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours of marination, mix the meat once more, then place a cooking pan and put the meat and cook on a low-medium heat. Stir constantly so that the meat can cook evenly. If your meat is too dry, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and mix well and let the meat to cook till well cooked and dry. Once your meat is well cooked like this, then your shawarma meat is ready, and remove it from the fire and serve on a plate. Our shawarma meat is ready. Then the next step, you're going to make shawarma bread. Ingredients to make shawarma bread: you're going to need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 packet of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and lastly 2 cups of wheat flour. Start by adding all the dry ingredients: a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 packet of yeast, and mix all the dry ingredients very well. Followed by 2 tablespoons of oil and give a quick mix. Then add some warm water. Add slowly by slowly till you get a dough. Once you get a dough, knead the dough till it's super soft. After 30 minutes, our dough has rised, and divide the dough into small tiny doughs. Afterwards, take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour and roll the dough into a thin circle. Once you're done rolling out the circle, then it's high time to cook our shawarma bread. Place a pan on a medium-low heat and place the shawarma bread and let it cook on a medium heat. Twist the shawarma bread using your hands till golden brown. And once the shawarma bread has this amazing golden brown color, flip on the other side and let it cook till golden brown. Once your shawarma bread has this golden brown color, then your shawarma bread is ready, and remove it from the fire and continue with the other doughs. Our shawarma breads are ready, as you can see in the video. Look how soft they look, and our next step, we're going to make shawarma salad. Ingredients you're going to need: lettuce salad, 1 carrot, a quarter cucumber, a half a onion, a half a lime or lemon, and lastly green bell pepper. So start by cutting the onions into slices. Then you're going to cut the green bell pepper into long strips, or you can use any bell pepper that you like. Then take the cucumber and cut the outer skins a bit, then cut it into slices as you can see in the video. Afterwards, take the sliced onions, sliced green pepper and cucumber and place them in a bowl. Afterwards, you're going to grate the carrots, or you can cut them into long strips, that's up to you. Lastly, you're going to cut the lettuce salad into long strips, as you can see in the video. After cutting all the vegetables, place everything in a bowl, and lastly, squeeze a half a lime or lemon. Lastly, mix the vegetables very well, and our salad is ready. And our shawarma salad is ready, as you can see in the video. Then the next step, I'm going to show you how to fold a shawarma step by step. So folding the shawarma bread, take a shawarma bread and place on a board. Add some mayonnaise, then add the cooked beef meat. Then add some salad, and lastly add some ketchup or any sauce that you like. Once you're done adding all the stuffs, then fold the shawarma. Then afterwards, fold the shawarma with a paper, and your beef shawarma is ready. That's easy peasy. Our beef shawarma is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve along with a cold drink and enjoy your beef shawarma. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.